hello, welcome to your home school. This year, class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, this is your exercise 3.3, third main, and your problem number 4. Let's start here. The taxi charges in a city. So what is this? Taxi charges, we are going to deal this problem. Taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Okay, before explaining about this sentence, I am going to give you a small example. Suppose you have started a taxi. Let's imagine this is a taxi. See, from A position you started in taxi, right? So he will say, Madam, it will be fixed charge 5 rupees or 10 rupees. That is, the fixed charge amount is different with the kilometer amount is different. So, if we say fixed charge is 10 rupees and every kilometer your amount will be 5 rupees, he will say. Suppose you have taken a drop at 1 kilometer. If you take a fixed charge, suppose let it be 5 rupees. 5 rupees is fixed charge. Okay, per kilometer 10 rupees if I take. So if a person starts an auto or if a person starts a taxi, right, from A to B position, he has taken a drop at B position. So from here to here 1 kilometer. How much amount he need to pay? 1 kilometer amount 10 rupees he need to pay? No. 10 rupees plus fixed charge will be how much? 5 rupees. 10 plus 5. 15 rupees he need to pay for the taxi wala. Okay. Suppose if we are started from A to C. How many kilometers distance covered here? 2 kilometers. How much amount you need to pay there? Fixed amount 5 rupees. See, for every kilometer 5 rupees won't be increased. 5 rupees is fixed. Wherever you take a drop, 5 rupees you need to pay minimum. Minimum charge that is. Okay. Then for every kilometer, they have said here 10 rupees. So fixed amount 5 rupees. After 1 kilometer 10 rupees. And again after 1 kilometer means 10 rupees. So how much you need to pay here? 5 plus 2 kilometers, 2 into 10, 20. 25 rupees you need to pay for the taxi wala. Okay, this is the way. The amount also will be differing with the fixed amount and the kilometer amount, right? So let's see the problem now. The taxi's charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. Distance covered and also fixed charge. For a distance of 10 kilometers. How many kilometers? 10 kilometers. The charge paid is rupees 105. So look here. 10 kilometers. Y is equal to rupees 105. So you need to take a fixed amount, right? X plus 10 kilometers. For every kilometer, how much we don't know. So 10 kilometers means 10y is equal to 105. So read the first sentence what I have written here. Let fixed charge be rupees x and charge per kilometer be rupees y. That is, how can you frame the equation? X plus 10y is equal to 105. Mark this as first equation. Okay, so let's read here. And for a journey of 15 kilometers. 15 kilometers. Immediately you should remember 15 kilometers. And every 15 kilometers also you'll be having a fixed charge, right? X plus 15y. The charge paid is rupees 155. That is equal to 155. Over. Framing these two equations little difficult, children. After framing nothing, it is problem is very easy for us. So let's read the continuation of the problem. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? See here, two sub-questions are asked here. Find the fixed charge, okay, and what is the kilometer charge, and suppose if he travels 25 kilometers, how much amount he need to pay? Right, let's start our problem here. So these two are the equations. Which you feel small, anyone you can take. So let me take this one. Consider equation 1. Consider equation 1. Any equation you can convert your second equation also, no problem. X is equal to plus 10y, send that side, minus 10y. Okay, this x value substitute here. Which method we are doing here? They asked us to do substitution method. So we are substituting here. Substitute x value in equation 2. That is, what is your equation 2? X plus 15y 155. X plus 15y is equal to 155. So now x value, write it here. 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. 15y minus 10y will be 5y. Plus 105, send other side. It will be minus 105. Okay, so now what happens here? 155 minus 105 will be 50. 5y 50, then y is equal to 50 by 5, that will be 10. So what is this y here, children? So what is the charge per kilometer, what we are saying? That is y. So every kilometer charge is how much? 10 rupees. Unknowingly we have taken the 10 rupees only here. So y we got, then what we need to do? Substitute this y in any one of the equation and get x value. Now let me write here. Substitute y is equal to 10 rupees in equation 2. That is, x plus 15 into 10 is equal to 155. See here, in my place I have written 10. 15 tens are 150. So now 150, send this side. X is equal to 155 minus 150. That will be x is equal to 5 rupees. Yes or no? Therefore, what you can write here? Therefore, fixed charge x is equal to rupees 5 rupees, and charge per kilometer charge per kilometer, what we have assumed? Y. What is that y? 10 rupees. Is the problem completed? No. One more question asked there. So, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So, 25 kilometers means, look here, we know that fixed charge plus 25 into kilometers is how much is your question? Right? So, now you can write here, for traveling 25 kilometers, cost to be paid. How much cost they need to pay? Is equal to x plus 25y. That will be, what is your x value? 5 rupees, and your y value is 10. That will be 5 plus 25 tens are 250, right? 250 plus 5 will be 255. Therefore, you need to write here, therefore, to travel 25 kilometers, they need to pay 255 rupees. Fifth problem, a fraction becomes 9 by 11. Fraction means what does it have? It will be having a numerator and denominator. A fraction becomes 9 by 11. It becomes 9 by 11. How can it become 9 by 11? If 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. So let's start writing this. Let the fraction be x by y. Okay. This fraction becomes 9 by 11. How does it become 9 by 11? When 2 is added to both the numerator and also denominator. That means x plus 2 by y plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11. This is your first equation. How can you rewrite? You can cross multiply here. That is 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. Yes? Compulsory you need to take here brackets, children, while you are multiplying the number. 11 into x, 11x. Plus 11 2s are 22. 9 into y, 9y. Plus 9 2s are 18. Bring this 9y this side. 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. How? Plus 22 will become minus 22. 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. This is your first equation. Okay. So let me continue a question here. If 3 is added, if 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Which becomes 5 by 6? The fraction becomes 5 by 6. So, given, what is your second statement here? The fraction becomes 5 by 6. How does it become 5 by 6? When 3 is added to the numerator and also denominator. Okay. Now again cross multiply this. 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. Now remove from bracket 6 into x, 6x. 6 3s are 18. 5 into y, 5y. Plus 5 3s are 15. Then now 6x, bring this 5y this side, minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. Finally, 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Mark this as second equation. Okay, now we got the two equations. Then your problem is very simple, right? So, framing the fraction and bringing up to here is difficult. So, understand the question carefully. What did they say here? The fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to the numerator and denominator. Similar type of questions will be there, children. How do they ask here? Suppose if 2 is subtracted from the numerator and denominator, if they give you, what you need to do? X minus 2 by y minus 2. So, read the question carefully and then frame the equations. Now, let's solve these two. Which equation you can feel small? This one is small. So, let's rewrite this equation. How can I rewrite? 6x is equal to 5y minus 3. Minus 5y. If it comes this side, it will be plus 5y. So, now 6 multiple, I don't want 5y minus 3 by 6. Okay. Simplify any one of the equation into one variable. Now this value substitute in another equation. Substitute x value in equation 1. What is your equation? 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. 11 into your x value is 5y minus 3 by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Don't forget your minus sign there. So now that will be, where this 11 will be multiplied? Only for the numerator, not for both. 11 5s are 55y minus 11 3s are 33 by 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Okay, so now again do the LCM. It's not complete, still we need to do the LCM. 6 and 1 LCM is 6. 55y minus 33 as it is minus 9 6 54y is equal to minus 4. Right? Now this denominator send other side, it will be multiplied. 55y minus 54y will be, how much it will be? Y minus 33 is equal to 6 4s are how much? 24. Now this minus 33 send other side. Y is equal to 33 minus 24. Okay, that will be y is equal to 9. 33 minus 24 will be 9. We got y. So substitute this y value in this. You are going to get your x value. Substitute y is equal to 9 in equation 1 or 2. Anyone you can take. So let me take equation 2, children. 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. So now y value is 9. 5 into 9 is equal to minus 3. 6x, 9 5s are 45 is equal to minus 3. Minus 45, if it goes to this side, plus 45. What is 45 minus 3? It will be 42. Now the 6 multiple, send other side, x is equal to 42 by 6. That will be 6 7s are 42. Therefore, your x value is 7. What is the fraction asked? Look here carefully. Find the fraction. Therefore, the fraction is equal to x by y. That is, what is your x value and y value? X is 7 and y is 9. Therefore, that is equal to 7 by 9 is the given fraction. Okay, this problem is not so easy, children. Listen the problem carefully and then try to do without seeing. See the last problem of this exercise, that is your 6th sub question. 5 years hence. How many years? 5 years. Hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. What are we talking in this problem? We are talking about 2 persons. Who are those? Jacob and his son. Right? So first, before reading the problem, I am going to assume something. Let the age of his son be x years. Okay, let the age of Jacob be y years. Any one x, any one y. You can take your own wish, but please don't by heart. Right? So I have written, let x be the present age of Jacob's son and y in years be the age of Jacob. Okay? And hence, ago, you should know the meaning of this. From here, 5 years means front. Ago, 5 years means back. Okay? We are going to deal with the future and before age we are going to talk. So now what is the present age? We will consider the present age be x and y, right? So now look here, 5 years hence. So next, the age of Jacob. What is Jacob? Y. 5 years, y plus 5. See the question carefully how I am writing and how I am splitting. The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. See, 5 years hence means son's age also will be increased by 5, no? Or his age will be stopping there? No. So now, 3 times his son's age. Son's age I have assumed x, right? X plus 5. Oh wow, that's all. This is the statement we need to frame. Okay, let's write the first equation, then we read the next question there, continuation question. So that will be y plus 5 is equal to 3 into x, 3x. 3 5s are 15. Okay, so now this number bring this side, y this side. 5 minus 15 is equal to 3x minus y. Will you accept with me? 3x, this y bring this side, minus y. 5 minus 15 will be minus 10. At a time reverse, children, that will be minus 10. This is your first equation. At a time, if your RHS is coming to LHS and your LHS coming to RHS, no sign will be changed. This is nothing but the interchanging. Okay, so now this is your first equation. Let's read the next point there. 5 years ago. Ago means back. 5 years ago minus 5, children. Whom we are talking? Father or son? Okay. Jacob's age. Okay. Jacob's age means y minus 5. Jacob's age was 7 times. Jacob's age 5 years ago was 7 times that of his son. Now what will be his son's age? Present age x. 5 years ago means that will be x minus 5. Okay, that's all. Almost your question is completed. What are their present ages? Present ages means x and y we need to calculate. Okay, let's continue this one. Y minus 5 is equal to 7 into x, 7x, minus 7 5s are 35. Okay, x here, there. So bring this all this side. So that will be minus 35, bring this side. 35 minus 5 is equal to 7x minus y. At a time interchange, 7x minus y is equal to 30. Mark the second equation. So now any one of the equation you wish, you can rewrite into one variable and that you need to substitute. Right, let's start. Let me take your equation 1. Consider equation 1, that is 3x minus y is equal to minus 10. So y bring this side, 3x plus 10 is equal to y. So now substitute this y value, or you can write put this y value in which equation you will equate, children. We are taking this one and we have converted, no? So don't substitute in 1. So better substitute in 2. Put this y value in equation 2. That is 7x minus y is equal to 30. What is your y value? Minus of, whenever you have a minus. So if you are writing this, put a bracket and write. Now, if you remove, your sign will be changed. 7x minus 3x minus into plus minus 10 is equal to 30. What is 7x minus 3x? It will be 4x. 4x is equal to minus 10 if it goes other side plus 10. 4x is equal to 30 plus 10 will be 40. X is equal to 40 by 4. That will be x value is 10. Okay. So now I got x. I need to calculate y. This x value, substitute x is equal to 10 in equation 1. What is your equation 1? 3x minus y is equal to minus 10. Don't forget minus here. Okay. 3 into 10 minus y is equal to minus 10. So 30 minus y is equal to minus 10. So minus y, I don't want minus for the variable. So send this value this side and bring this side. Minus 10, if it comes this side, plus 10. Minus y, it will be plus y. Therefore, y is equal to 40. So therefore, what you can say, children, finally, therefore, Jacob's son's age, that will be x is equal to 10 years, and Jacob's age is equal to, and this is what we are talking is a present age, children, that is 40 years. So finally, what you can say, Jacob's son's age is 10 years and Jacob's age is 40 years. See your children, in this exercise, what are all the verbal problems we have done now? We can solve these all problems. Either we may solve in graphically, or we may solve in elimination method, or in cross multiplication method also you can do. But in this particular exercise, they have asked us to do in substitution method. When they have not mentioned any method, you can go with any one of your own method. Okay. Thank you all. With this, we are going to complete this exercise. We are going to continue in our next session with your next exercise. Thank you all.